Hello, this is Elindir Geek, and I'm going to show you how to join multiple channels on IRC, like XChat, MIRC, or any IRC client you have. So first, let's go to MIRC and XChat, or any IRC you have. So first thing off is to connect to a server. You may connect to any server you want. I am now connected to Geekshed, so there. Well, after connecting to a server, you need to identify your nickname if you are already registered. But if you aren't registered yet, register using these commands: msg /msg, nickserv, register, password, then your email. So just replace these things with your details and hit enter, and now your nickname will be registered. So after registering your nickname, you should identify it. So type in /msg nickserv, identify, then your password. So there, just replace this with your password. It is the same with the XChat, msg nickserv, register or identify, and then your password and your details. So there. So after identifying yourself, you will be recognized with your nickname on your server. So you may now join a channel which is connected to your server. So on joining a channel, you must type in join $, then the name of your channel or any channel you want. So I'll type Elindir because it's my channel. So hit enter, and it will pop up. The window will pop up. So there, I'm now connected and joined the channel LDR. So XChat or any client you have, you also type the join command. So join /join $LNDR. So there, click enter and it will pop up. So I'm now connected and joined LNDR. If you want another channel to connect in, but you want to still be connected to your channel, well, you can just type in /join $, then the other channel you want to join in. So I'll try check. So there, hit enter. So you are now connected to the channel of Jake, right? But you're still connected to your channel. So let's try it again. So let's type join $, then Henkel. You will see it will pop up again, and you're still connected to Jake and to LNDR, but you're now connected to Henkel. So there. So I guess that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, which is Elindir Geek, and don't forget to visit my site, which is elindir.co.nr, to visit the latest news about myself and about the videos I uploaded in YouTube. So yes, that's it. And before I forgot, well, the join command is the basic and the easiest command on IRC clients. Well, it is just a simple and easy command to use on IRC. Well, because it's the basic one to join a channel. So I hope you will not encounter any problems on doing it. So good luck and thank you for watching.